Hooray! Filling. Crane truck. Don't stop. Make the arbor frame. Keep it up. Help the car make its way. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Don't stop. Dig up a basin ditch. Let's wash. Excavator. Hooray! We need to assemble. Bulldozer. That's all. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. We did it! Make a platform for an arbor. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! Hooray! We need to assemble. Pipe layer. That's all. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Hooray! Lay pipes for the pool. Let's wash. Pie player. You're doing really great.